Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x times 3 power x square is equals to 6 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can write this as 2 power x times 3 power x square. This 6 as 2 times 3. Now 2 power x times 3 power x square is equals to 2 power 1 times 3 power 1. Now separate the terms. 2 power x by 2 is equals to 3 by 3 power x square. Now according to exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So I'm going to apply this rule here. So 2 power x minus 1 is equals to 3 power 1 minus x square. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So log 2 power x minus 1 is equals to log 3 power 1 minus x square. So x minus 1 times log 2 is equals to 1 minus x square log 3. So x minus 1 by 1 minus x square is equals to log 3 by log 2. X minus 1 by, here we can use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So here a is 1 and b is x. So x minus 1 by 1 plus x or 1 minus x is equals to log 3 by log 2. Now from numerator, if I take negative sign as common, so it becomes 1 plus x 1 minus x by 1 plus x or 1 minus x is equals to log 3 by log 2. Now from numerator and denominator, we can eliminate 1 minus x from 1 minus x. So negative 1 by 1 plus x is equals to log 3 by log 2. If we do cross multiplication, so it becomes negative log 2 is equals to 1 plus x times log 3. So negative log 2 by log 3 is equals to 1 plus x. So negative log 2 by log 3, negative 1 is equals to x. So the value of x is, if I'll take negative sign as common, so 1 plus log 2 by log 3. So this is the final value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.